Imagine waking up every morning with a clearer vision. No more tired, blurry, or strained eyes, just sharp, fresh, and focused vision naturally. Sounds amazing, right? The truth is that your daily habits can either damage or protect your eyesight. So today, let me guide you through a simple yet powerful morning-to-night routine that can transform your eye health. I will try to explain each and every possible thing that contributes to improving your eye health. Ready to give your eyes the love they deserve? Let's begin. Morning routine. 1. Wake up early and soak in natural sunlight. Open your curtains. Let the soft morning light hit your face. Why? Sunlight boosts vitamin D and keeps your eye muscles relaxed and alert. 2. Palming 2 minutes. Rub your hands together, close your eyes, and gently cover your eyes with your hands. Why? Relaxes tired eyes and reduces mental stress. 3. Cold water eye splash. Splash cold water directly into your eyes. Why? It refreshes your eyes and improves blood circulation. 4. Eye yoga 10 minutes. Try this mini workout. Look left and right. Look up and down. Rotate eyes clockwise and counterclockwise. Blink 20 times. Breakfast. Feed your eyes. Eat these eye-loving foods. Carrots, rich in vitamin A. Spinach, kale, loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin. Eggs, boost eye protection. Citrus fruits, fight off eye infections. Almonds, walnuts, packed with vitamin E and omega-3. Drink a glass of lemon water to detox and hydrate your eyes from within. Daytime routine, screen-safe habits. 1. Do a 20-20-20 rule, your best friend. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 2. Adjust screen settings. Keep brightness moderate. Use blue light filters. Don't work in dark rooms. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Dehydration equals dry, itchy eyes. 4. Wear UV-protected sunglasses. Always wear shades outdoors to protect against UV rays. Lunch, midday eye fuel, 1 p.m. Choose foods like brown rice with mixed vegetables, grilled fish, salmon, tuna for omega-3, sweet potatoes, papaya or oranges. Evening routine, unwind and recharge. 1. Go for a walk. Give your eyes a break from screens and let them relax with natural views. 2. Warm compress optional. Dip a cloth in warm water and rest it over your eyes. Relieves dryness and tension. Night routine, reset for tomorrow. 1. No screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light messes up sleep and eye repair. 2. Palming again, 1 minute. Quick eye relaxation before sleep. 3. Sleep early. Get 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep. It's the ultimate eye repair session. Bonus tips. Don't rub your eyes. Eat a lot of green food. Blink often. Don't forget regular eye checkups.